The Setagaya family murder case is a shocking incident that occurred on December 30, 2000, in Setagaya Ward, Tokyo. In this case, 4 family members were killed at their home, and the brutality of the act and the mysterious circumstances attracted significant attention both in Japan and abroad. The situation was particularly abnormal, with the perpetrator believed to have stayed in the house for a long time after committing the crime. It is thought that the perpetrator ate the victim family's food, accessed the internet using their computer, and wore the family's clothing. Moreover, a lot of evidence, including the perpetrator's DNA, fingerprints, and fibers from clothing, was left at the scene. Despite this evidence, the case remains unsolved. The identity and motive of the perpetrator and why they have not been caught despite the abundance of evidence are among the many unanswered questions. These aspects deepen the mystery surrounding the Setagaya family murder case, establishing it as a fascinating unsolved case for mystery enthusiasts and criminologists worldwide. The meticulous investigation, use of modern science, and transparency of the information released, yet the failure to find a clue to apprehend the perpetrator, continues to captivate and provoke discussion among many people. As a result, the Setagaya family murder case continues to garner attention both domestically and internationally.